Hi, I'm Dulcie Hill, and today I want to talk about some basic exercises that we could do to strengthen our legs. And it's as simple as, if you're watching TV, every time a commercial comes on, you sit down and then you slowly stand up, but you don't push yourself up. And it's good to sit in a straight back chair with handles. And then you stand up, and you do that as many times in between the commercials as possible. Alright, and this is kind of a lifestyle change where we keep doing this, standing up and sitting down. And this will help, like when you're going to the commode, most of us, this is what we do, right? We drop. And that's not really good, so we have to slowly sit down. Another way you can do this here is turn your chair around, okay, and take your TheraBand and put it around that doorknob. I think I showed you how to do that before. And do this, and then slowly lower yourself, and then stand up, and then slowly lower yourself. And do that as many times as possible, so until you build up the strength. Now, if you are in a wheelchair or a scooter, all I want you to do to build up leg strength is simply stand up and hold it, and try to hold it, and then move your hands to the left and to the right. That's all I want you to do. Try it for 30 seconds. And that's going to be really hard. But this here, and then slowly bend your knees. Alright, you're not going to sit, but you're standing, and your knees are bent. And I remember being confined to a wheelchair. A lot of times your legs would collapse, or my legs would collapse. So I want you to stand. All you're going to do is try to stand 5 times for 30 seconds. And just do that. So my goal here is to help you get into the bathroom, or just to stand so you can transfer more easier. More easier. Anyway, that's what I want you to try to do today. And then on these bands, I'm doing a heavy band. I did yesterday. I did chest and triceps, right? So today it would be back and biceps. But I'm going to show you, instead of doing that core strengthening thing where you put your band around your foot and you're going to lean back, holding that there, and crunching those abs. So it's a great core exercise. Just sit there and crunch those abs. Anyway, please subscribe. I posted where you can get these bands on Amazon, and let's do this together. Again, Raluca is going to be posting different alternative type of exercises. Please subscribe to MS Frontiers Exercise Therapy and Rehab, and subscribe to this video channel. And also, God bless you. Go to msfrontiers.org for more resources. And again, keep coming back. Thank you.